know you want to fly. So what's stopping you? Is it fear? Fear of what? Fear of crashing and burning. Fear of reality plucking you from the flight of your dreams, plummeting you to the earth where you lie naked to the voice that says, I told you so. Too big, too high, not enough. Of course you are. Of course you did. Of course it is. Maybe you're afraid of greatness. Your truth ever glowing, radiating, perfect light. To seek out this truth is our path, our dharma. To find it and manifest it in our lives is the purpose of our lives. It is difficult, trying, seemingly impossible, insurmountable, and knowledge of its existence brings about tremendous responsibility. The responsibility to fight for it with all our existence. The responsibility to fix our gaze on this truth and never look away, no matter what. This would seem to be truly something to fear, but to align your life with anything else is madness. This misalignment causes the mind to fold in on itself, creating one illusion after the next, grasping for the next closest, meaningless distraction, grasping with all its existence, or lack thereof, trying to avoid that which cannot be avoided. It finds heartbreak after heartbreak, defeat after defeat, desperately attempting to find some fragile shelf upon which to place all of its weight. But every shelf would break, for they were not meant to hold. They are simply a byproduct, the shadows that would not exist without the light. Look deep within yourself to where the fear boils up and screams. Focus on the space around the heart. Breathe into that space. Feel it at the center of the chest where the heart resides and watch it glow. Watch it radiate. Feel it ripple through your entire existence and past your existence. Feel the vibration which is you, tuning to the elements around you. Become one. Become one with the earth below. Become one with the fluid movements of vibration. Become one with the fire of not only the will, but also of the adversity that life presents to ignite our existence. Become one with the air, the space that surrounds you, that which you cannot see but you know is there. It's as simple as oxygen. It's as simple as gravity. Become one with the others around you, just like you and nothing like you at all. Become one with yourself. Find that space, that quiet place within yourself, and then around yourself and everywhere else. You feel it, you see it, you know it. Breathe into it and breathe it in. That is where you see your truth, where you become truly great, where you disconnect from the sickness and fear and become everything you were meant to be. And no fear that resides in this world or any other can hold you back, because you know now the truth that burns bright. It burns everything that surrounds it and leaves nothing left to fear. So spread your wings wide, taking the winds of truth beneath them, and take flight towards all the great things you were meant to be. Navigate all of life's triumphs and failures, and know that as long as you soar in your truth, you will always be free. Starting now.